Good day, sir. Before anything else, I would like to introduce to you myself first. I am Mariana Inocalan Ignalig, and my topic is all about venture capitalist. So my topic is the continuation of Mr. Lopez topic. So let's start with. So what is venture capitalist? So venture capitalists or VCs are investors who provide money to startups and small businesses that have the potential for long-term growth. So meaning a venture capitalist is an investor who provides money to startups or small businesses that have the potential to grow quickly. So, unlike traditional bank loans, venture capitalists take a higher risk because they invest in businesses that are not yet fully developed, and in return, they expect a share of the company and profits if the business becomes successful. Venture capitalists don't invest their own money. Instead, they work through two main entities, the venture capital firms and the venture capital fund. So venture capital firms, these are companies that manage investment. Think of them as managers who decide where to invest money. While the venture capital funds, these are pools of money collected from investors, which are then invested into startups. So just like for example, in venture capital firm is a Sequoia Capital is a well-known venture capital firm that manages multiple funds. And in venture capital fund, Sequoia's seed fund pulls investment from various partners to support early stage startups like Airbnb. So this fund is to help entrepreneurs and small businesses get the resources and connections needed for the success. Sequoia Seed Fund is a network of experienced and successful entrepreneurs and venture capitalists investing in early stage startups since 1972. So the fund was created as a platform for experienced investors to offer advice, capital, and insight to budding entrepreneurs. So Sequoia invests in companies from diverse industries with a primary focus being technology and healthcare. So when we say budding entrepreneur, this is budding entrepreneur is someone who is in the early stage of starting a business. They may be developing an idea, creating a business plan, or launching their first products or services. The budding term suggests that they are just beginning their entrepreneurial journey with potential growth and success in the future. So this is the pool format of venture capital funds. So this diagram illustrates the structure of a venture capital or VC, showing the relationships between different entities involved. And let's break it down. So venture capital firm or the general partner GP in the red box. So the venture capital firm or GP is responsible for managing the fund. It raises capital from investors or limited partners and makes investment decisions. It typically earns management fees and a share of the profits. And let's proceed now to the limited partners or the investors in the top block box. So these are investors who provide the capital but do not manage the fund. So limited partners or LPs includes public and corporate pension funds, insurance companies, high net worth individuals, endowments, foundations, and sovereign wealth funds. So they own shares in the venture capital fund but have a limited liability. And venture capital fund or the limited partnership in the blue box. So this is the investment vehicle that Post Capital Firm LPs and is managed by the GP. So the fund makes investment in high growth startups or early stage companies. So the GP manages the fund's investment and decision making. And in the number four, the investments portfolio or the portfolio companies in the block boxes. So the VC fund invests in the multiple portfolio companies or startups or growing businesses. So the fund's returns come from these investments when companies grow, get acquired or go public. So flow of capital and control. So LPs or the limited partners provide money to the fund, and the VC or the venture capital firm manages the fund and make investment decisions. So the fund deploys a capital into various investment or startups. So profits from successful investment are shared among LPs and GP. So, why startups seek venture capital? So, here's why. So, startups needs funding for product development, marketing, and business expansion because venture capital provides large amount of money that startups usually can't get from the banks, and expert guidance from investors who have experience in growing companies. And last, networking opportunities with other businesses, customers, and investors. So, let's now proceed now to the rules. So, the general partner is typically involved in a high level decision making. They are responsible for making significant investment decisions and developing relationships with entrepreneurs and investors. And the general partner. So the general partner makes important investment decisions and build relationship with entrepreneurs. And the venture partners. So the venture partners, they help find and evaluate new businesses for investment but usually don't receive a salary, instead earning a share of the profits. And the next one is the principal. Their role requires a deep understanding of markets, industries, and technologies. And the associate. So these are the junior team members who conduct research, analyze data, and assist in decision making. And the last one is the entrepreneur in residence. So these are experienced entrepreneurs temporarily hired by a venture capital firm to develop and pitch new startup ideas. So here is the risk and the rewards. So for venture capitalists, if the startup fails, they lose their investment. And if it succeeds, they make a huge profits. For startups, they get funding but have to give up something ownership and control of their business. So, venture capitalists are essential for helping startups growing into a successful businesses. While they take a big risk, they also have the chance to make a high returns. So, this system supports innovation, new technologies, and economic development. So, that would be all. Thank you.